Hi everyone, attorney Kristina Krilchev here with very urgent and disturbing news about another blow on legal immigration. I worked through the night to verify this with official government sources because it affects every category of immigrant visas and real families right now. Please listen carefully. If you or family member are waiting for an immigrant visa interview abroad or preparing to file an immigrant visa case, this could stop your visa from being issued, even if everything else is approved. This is not a rumor and not social media speculation. The US Department of State has officially confirmed a new policy affecting immigrant visa issuance for nationals of 75 countries, starting January 21st, 2026, which is less than a week out from today. Here's the critical part you should know. If you are a national of one of the listed countries, you may still be scheduled for an interview at a consulate abroad. You may attend the interview, but the immigrant visa itself will not be issued while this pause is in effect. That means interview does not equal visa approval. Approval does not equal visa issuance. And travel plans can completely fall apart if you're not careful. Listen carefully because this part is extremely important. This policy does not apply to people applying for adjustment of status inside the United States. This means if you are a national of one of the 75 countries and you are already in the United States and filing Form I-485 with USCIS, your case is not affected by this immigrant visa pause under the current official guidance. This restriction applies to immigrant visas issued at US consulates abroad, not to green card applications processed inside the US. This affects family-based and employment-based immigrant visas through consular processing. Again, employment-based immigrant visas are also affected. It does not automatically affect tourist or other non-immigrant visas, and it does not stop USCIS from approving AOS cases. There are limited exceptions to that. One of the most important is that dual nationals may still qualify if they apply using a passport from a country that is not on the list. Handled correctly, this can be case-saving. For our European clients, this is also critical. Bulgaria is not included in the affected country list. However, and this is where confusion happens, some European countries are included. Do not assume Europe is exempt. To avoid mistakes, we are including the full official list of all 75 countries, including the European countries affected, directly in the caption below. So if you're affected and don't understand this policy, you could attend an interview and leave with no visa. You could lose months or years of planning. You could make irreversible financial or travel decisions. This is serious and it is happening now. If you or a family member are doing consular processing abroad, especially from one of the listed countries, do not guess and do not rely on social media comments. Get case-specific guidance before January 21. Please share this video with anyone waiting on an immigrant visa interview or in a process of preparing the paperwork for an immigrant visa filing. Again, the full list of affected countries is in the caption. I'm Kristina Krilchev from Krilchev & Associates. We'll continue monitoring this closely and keeping you informed. Also, this information is based on current official guidance and may change. Please accept it only as general information and not legal advice.